This is a project delivered by our GOM Hotel Furniture Factory, the Garia Suzhou Yangcheng Lei Hotel. Positioned as an international 5-star property under Banyan Tree Group, the hotel lobby features clean lights and natural light. We supply custom-made reception desks, sofas, and long chairs. Simple yet refined, highlighting openness and comfort. The design was led by Banyan and Associates. With a concept of architecture and experience integration, we provide full furniture customization from design coordination to production and installation. The guest rooms use warm earthy tones. We supply back frames, sofas, desks, and wardrobes. Production to 6 months plus 2 months for installation. Eco-friendly wood and fabrics was used for comfort and durability. In the dining area, we deliver custom dining tables and chairs, lightweight yet durable, echoing the light wellness philosophy. In the long bar, counters and seating were custom made by us. Garia positioned itself as a modern and youthful, distinct from the classic Banyan Tree Resort. The project was delivered in about 8 months. From design coordination, material selection, production to on-site installation, we execute the full process with a factory direct model. This is the Garia Suzhou Yangcheng Lei project, delivered by us, GOM Hotel Furniture Factory.